Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to register and create your profile on busykids.in. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and type busykids.in in the address bar, then press enter. Now you will see the BusyKids homepage. Here, click on the sign up or register button. You will be taken to the registration page. Fill in your details such as your name, school name, email ID, mobile number, password, and confirm your password. After filling the form, check the CAPTCHA. Once you submit, your registration will be successful. Immediately after that, you will receive a verification mail in your registered email ID. At this point, please do not close the tab. Open your email inbox, find the verification email from BusyKids, and click on the Verify email link inside that message. After verifying your email, come back to the website and click on Login. Enter your registered email ID and password, and click Login. Now your BusyKids account is created. You can continue completing your profile or start using the platform as needed. Now your BusyKids account is created. You can continue completing your profile or start using the platform as needed. That's it. Your registration and profile setup on busykids.in is complete. Thank you for watching.